Hey, hello and welcome once again to my YouTube channel. This is Reflex Image. If this is your first time visiting, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. And also turn on the notification icon, and if you're already a subscriber, welcome back. Unlike my previous video where I'm starting from A to Z on how I manipulate picture, how I change background, this is just like a show off. I'm just trying to do a show off here by using some of my overlays, a particular one. But if you are yet to get my overlay pack, especially one of 2025, go and actually purchase today. But I'll be adding some collections to it, some crazy collections of overlay to the 2025 version. So as of now, there are 30 in number, but trust me, there are 30 unique backgrounds. There are 30 unique backgrounds, so which I'll be adding to the file. I extracted it from some other backgrounds, and I'll be adding it to my overlay collection. So you can just go and make payments today. But that aside, right now, I'll be using one because this is a white background. I won't be starting from scratch. So as you can see, I've extended my backdrop, I've removed blemishes, and I've done what I have lightened the background. So we just have to go to my file manager. This is it over here. So I'll pick the one I want. I want to use this unique one. I want to use there's a particular one in mind. I can go with this. Let's try this out first. Just have to drag it down to my Photoshop. Wait for it to load up, and I'm going to expand it to the way I see fit. I want it to be around this way. To be around this way. You can see. What I just need to do is to do what? Clean where the shadow is and bring back my shadow. And we are good to go. And our picture is looking pink. But that's not what we want to use today. So let's delete this right now. So I'll go back to my file manager. Let me scroll down. Which one do I want to use? Okay, I want to make use of this one right here. So drag it down to my Photoshop. Wait for it to load up, and I'm going to expand or expand till I see fit. I want to expand it around this way. I think around this way is okay. Around this way is okay. I love it around this way. But the issue I'm having right now is number one, the shadow is no longer there. The footer shadow is not there. And there's not enough border room. I want the beauty of the backdrop to show very well. So for me to make the beauty of backdrop to show very well, what I just need to do is to click on my crop tool. See, and I'm going to expand from the sides. You can see. Till I see fit. And do the same thing here also. Now click on my OK. Wait for it to load up, and boom, this is what it looks like. So the next thing I can do right now, I'm going to create a mask on it. I'm going to pick my brush, my normal brush color, make sure it's on black. And I'm going to scroll over where the shadow is before. Okay, here is where our shadow is. White back to return this back. So what I just need to do now is to make sure the shadow is not too deep. Go down to my hue and saturation. I'm going to drag up the shadow a little bit. And boom, our picture is looking pink and nice already. Very, very nice, neat and straightforward. With just three simple click right now, just three simple click, we just did what? We changed our background. Look at how cool and nice our backdrop is. So I'll be giving you guys this backdrop for free. So just go to my store and make purchase today. You're going to get the background free so that I can practice with and create some extreme pictures with them. So I'll be giving you this backdrop for free. If you want to know how I actually created this backdrop, I'll be dropping some videos later on how I do extract backdrop, how I do get backdrops, and how I do work with my backdrops. So as you can see, just go with white backdrop. You can use this for any white background I want to take. So let me color grade my picture. Just go to my uppermost layer, click on my adjustment to color, click on color lookup, do 3D lots, which one will I be using right now? Apply my perfect skin. Perfect skin is okay. And boom, look at how cool my picture is. If my color is too much, come down to the opacity and I'm going to bring it down. And boom, look at what my picture is. Look at the before of the background and look at the after. With just three simple click right now, we'll be able to do what? To create this hyper realistic backdrop, which is looking very, very nice. And it's making our picture look very, very enticing. So if this video helps one way or another, don't forget to drop a like. Go to my store today, make purchase. It's going to help you a lot. I mean a lot. Especially 2025 collection, go and purchase them and also my lot. It's going to help you improve your picture editing skills. Join my Telegram today where I'll be dropping this overlay for you guys to download for free of charge. See you guys in my next video tutorial. Reflex out. Many of you might have seen this picture, this picture, this picture, and so many of my pictures and think this is very, very hard to actually achieve. Here are some of the befores of the pictures and here are some of the after. What if I tell you you can actually achieve this very, very easy and straightforward by just getting some of my overlays, my PNG, my lot files. So it's going to help you improve your picture editing skills, and it's going to make your picture come out nice. Following the videos I drop on YouTube and getting my files with it is going to actually help you when it comes to photo manipulation and actually enhancing your studio picture. I just dropped my 2025 collection of the overlays. Is available on my store. You can just go there and make purchase today. It's very, very affordable, and trust me, you're going to love it. It's over 400 overlays. Though I'll be using my previous lots, you can just go and also purchase that there. My 2023 2024 overlays also available on my store. Just go and make purchase today. Trust me, you're going to thank me later. So in case you're interested in getting any of my picture editing file, from my overlays down to my color lookup, which is my lot file, so you just have to scroll down to your video. So under the comment, this is my description. So it's not going to load the description for you. You just have to click on show more, click on it. So it's going to show all the options. Once it does that, just click on my store link. So here's my store link. Once you click on it, it's going to take you directly to my store. So you can actually select any file you want. From the color lookup, this is a light skin lots. This is a feather which I use in my recent video. This is 100 premium baby overlays. This is my first video course. This video course entails on how to download all the files I want. The site I use in downloading all my files free of charge, including my Photoshop panels also. This includes my PNG files. This includes all my packs, all my picture editing files, my premium overlay, my PNG, my flying fabrics, my color lookup, my presets. So once you buy this, you've already bought everything apart from this one. So here is my flying fabrics. Here is my, in case you want to give me any project for me to work on. Here's my color lookup. Here is my background overlay, and here is my presets file. So in case you're interested in buying any one, you can actually go for them. The good news there is that you can actually buy your own currency, any currency of your choice. You can buy with any currency of your choice.